Kathy.
And I'm Annie. And we take freeze-dried to fresh. Today we're going to make a cherry smoothie. And we're going to put some pretty tasty foods in there, like peanut butter and milk and cocoa.
We're going to start with a banana. We did not have one frozen, so we just took a fresh one.
I do have a little bit of water at the base of this so that we can emulsify all of the ingredients a little bit better.
Well, we are adding dry cherries, so adding the extra liquid is smart.
All right, so I'll put a little bit of cacao at the bottom.
And we'll add some cherries.
And we'll do just a little bit of almond peanut butter.
Why do you call it almond peanut butter?
Yeah.
Almond butter.
I thought about it after I said it. Doesn't make sense.
Something like that is the almond butter.
Okay, knock me.
No, I didn't mean to do that. I was just... Vanilla. We're gonna add a little splash of vanilla.
And I'm gonna put some almond milk in there.
And a little almond extract as well. Almond extract and cherries go well.
All right.
Just a little ice too.
Now we do have the recipe that we'll place down below and a comment section. So do try that. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell, because what that does is it actually will inform you when we post another video. And these are great for just any time. You could be making this, and you're getting superfoods all in a drink. It's
and remember to give us a thumbs up too. We like those. So we're gonna now blend it up. We need the ice.
Oh, thank you, Kathy. So we'll just pop the ice in there, and we're gonna blend it up, and we'll be right back.
To plate it. And we will top it with a few almonds. I hope they don't sink.
Oh, wow.
Oh, they didn't.
That was good. I just licked it a little bit. That was really cherry. I love our cherries, our Thrive cherries. I just think these are one of my favorites. The first time I tried these, it was probably 10 years ago. And I remember thinking, wow, they have no pits. So it's super nice and easy. I don't have to, take the pit out. And these are one of my favorites, and I just eat it like that. It's great.
And what I like is that you get it shipped right to your door. With our delivery, it's so easy. I don't have to go grocery shopping to get it. It just comes right to my door every month.
And we've got cherries, like literally in season, out of season, which makes it really nice, doesn't it? When I need a few, I just take them and sprinkle them, and they decorate the top of a smoothie if you wanted. And I could do that.
Go ahead. You're all about the decoration.
I am. There we go.
Well, we hope you give this a try. And did we say give a thumbs up?
We sure did.
Do it again.
Yeah. And remember, you can do this too.